You just bought a brand new phone, sealed box, fresh start, so it should be the safest your phone will ever be. But why is it possible that this is when it's already compromised? This isn't about hackers targeting you, it's about something much simpler: how your phone actually reaches you. You trust your phone because of what you do. You don't install random apps, you avoid sketchy links, you keep your software updated. So your safety feels like a result of your behavior. And most of the time that's true. But that logic has a blind spot, because all of that assumes one thing: that your phone started out clean. Before your phone ever gets to you, it goes through a chain: manufacturing, assembly, shipping, distribution, multiple systems, multiple checkpoints. And in cybersecurity, there's a term for attacking this stage: a supply chain attack. Not attacking you directly, but inserting something before you ever get control. This doesn't mean someone opened your exact phone box. It means if a vulnerability exists anywhere in that chain, it can affect many devices at once.
There have been real cases where Android devices shipped with pre-installed spyware. Modified firmware was found on devices before sale. Malware was embedded so deeply it survived resets. This isn't theoretical. It's happened, usually in targeted attacks or on lower-cost devices with weaker supply chain controls. But this is where it gets uncomfortable, because this kind of compromise behaves differently. You can't uninstall it, you can't scan it easily, you can't fix it by being careful, because your control starts after the system has already started. Most threats you've heard of exist on top of your phone: apps, files, downloads, things you can remove. This is different. This sits underneath all of that, inside something called firmware, the low-level system your phone runs on before anything else starts. Now, to be fair, this isn't something happening to most devices from major manufacturers. For a user buying an iPhone from an Apple store or a Pixel from Google, the chance of a supply chain compromise is astronomically low. Modern phones actually include hardware-level protections, sometimes called a hardware root of trust, designed to verify that the system hasn't been tampered with before it even boots.
And this leads to a question most people never ask: how would you even know? There's no pop-up, no warning, no obvious slowdown, because from your phone's perspective, nothing is wrong. Everything you see, your apps, your settings, your security tools, all rely on the system underneath being trustworthy. If that layer is compromised, then everything above it is just operating on top of that assumption. This is where a lot of common advice breaks down. You might think, I'll just factory reset my phone. But if the compromise exists in firmware, a reset doesn't touch it. So now the question shifts from how do I avoid getting hacked to something much deeper: at what point did I actually have control? Now again, this isn't happening to every device. If you're buying directly from a reputable manufacturer, the risk is extremely low. But gray market devices, unverified sellers, lower-cost supply chains have historically been where this shows up. Because security doesn't start with what you install, it starts with what you inherit. And by the time you power your phone on for the first time, that decision has already been made.